2025 Mahindra XUV500 Overview. Intro. The 2025 Mahindra XUV500 has arrived with a bold new look and a host of advanced features designed to elevate your driving experience. As a part of Mahindra's popular SUV lineup, the XUV500 is making waves with a refined combination of rugged performance, modern design, and high-tech features. It's the perfect choice for those who seek a versatile, family-friendly SUV with both style and substance. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 XUV500 boasts impressive power and efficiency. The SUV is equipped with a choice of refined petrol and diesel engines, ensuring robust performance on both highways and rugged terrains. The turbocharged engine options deliver smooth acceleration while maintaining a balance between power and fuel economy. The XUV500 is also packed with a sophisticated all-wheel drive (AWD) system, making it a true off-roading companion when the adventure calls for it. Exterior design. The 2025 XUV500's exterior is a statement of modern SUV styling, featuring a sleek yet aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a dynamic profile that conveys both power and elegance. The bold wheel arches, refined curves, and contemporary design details ensure that the XUV500 stands out in any crowd. Whether cruising through city streets or hitting the open road, this SUV exudes confidence and sophistication. Interior design. Inside, the XUV500 offers a premium and spacious cabin designed with comfort in mind. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a minimalist yet functional layout provide a luxurious feel. The cabin is roomy with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The advanced infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen, seamless connectivity, and voice commands, keeps you connected and entertained. Plus, the versatility of the seating configuration makes it perfect for both city commutes and family road trips. Fuel efficiency. One of the key highlights of the 2025 XUV500 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Thanks to the advanced engine technologies, lightweight construction, and aerodynamic design, it provides a smooth and economical drive without compromising on performance. Whether you're tackling city traffic or heading off on a long journey, the XUV500 ensures fewer stops at the pump, making it an ideal choice for the eco-conscious driver. Outro. The 2025 Mahindra XUV500 is the perfect blend of performance, design, and practicality, offering everything you need in a modern SUV. With its powerful engine options, sleek exterior, luxurious interior, and efficient fuel economy, it is poised to capture the hearts of SUV enthusiasts everywhere. Ready to take on any adventure in style, the XUV500 stands